guys, so welcome in to my suite. So I'm Jaleesa, the owner of TSF Studio, which is the Skin Fanatic Studio here in Warner Robins. So today's video is basically me showing you the studio, a quick tour of my setup, basically how I have things set up, the things I have. I'm not really going to do anything too much with storage wise. I can do that in another video, so just comment below what kind of videos you want to see. Welcome to the channel, and hopefully you guys get to know more about me and the studio as I begin to upload more videos to YouTube. Okay guys, so this is the couch where everyone sits and they do the consultation, pretty much just to kind of sip on their tea, where I talk to them about their skin and everything that's going on. I got this couch Amazon, I believe, from a Scandinavian vendor. Like their pieces and stuff are Scandinavian inspired. So that's what I got. I was trying to choose between orange and I think it was like a velvet blue, but we went ahead and went with green since the green earthy tones, as you can see, because I have the wood. I got this. They're from different places. If I remember, I'll tell you, but if not, y'all just gonna keep it rolling. We also have fine china for our teacups and our tea plates for our clients, because I offer hot tea as another means to be able to wind down. Of course, we know that teas, especially when we get in teas that have the natural herbs and everything in it, are really good for our body holistically, our digestive system. So that's what we have here. I'm actually set up now for a client. Her consultation form is on the table already. We have candles, and then I always try to keep fresh flowers on the table. It's something about fresh flowers. I actually have an orchid over here that I'm gonna show, but I had it for, I want to say 2-3 months now. So, but I'm gonna replace this one with a fresh one because I went and saw our local florist, and I think I'm gonna replace it with a real one. So I have the little decor set up, kind of like a cozy little den, living room area. I have my fan here handy to keep the room circulated, as well as when I have my wet clients. When they're getting hot, I can turn this on to kind of help with the sweat and those type of things. Then I also have a mirror here. So at first I had the mirror by my sink, but I realized that I have all my stuff on this side for treatment, so it's easier for the client to be able to see themselves in the mirror after the treatment over here. And then this little wall here, I have my study night, and I have a geo crystal and my sage up here. I have another faux plant because we want to keep the greenery going. I keep a personalized board for my clients because we want to always have a personalized touch. I did win Best of Georgia for 2021, and then I also have my essential oil diffuser. So that's pretty much what this area is. It's just an area to digress and unwind. I have a coat hanger here for clients to hang anything if need be, but we have a basket on the bed that I'm gonna show you. So here is typically where I'll put retail products. I do a lot of stuff online, but I'm starting to bring in more physical. So on the shelves is normally where I will place our retail. So right now I have fur products in here for my Brazilian clients. I have some gift certificates. Then we have, of course, our wax station, double pot. I have my wax sticks with an acrylic organizer. I have another organizer, not an acrylic, but another organizer to keep my products that I use to cleanse, oil, and then cleansing products on top just for easy access. But normally I keep everything up under the sink tight away. I don't want to have too much stuff out. And then we have our credentials on the wall. On this side we have easy access to the linen, the soil linen basket. That way we can just dump when we take off the bed for the client. They can just dump or whatever needs to happen. It's just closer necessity over here, and it's kind of tucked away from being out in the open space over here. White linen, I love my white linen robe. It just seems so fresh, so clean. It just gives that upscale vibe. I don't really like too many colors because I already do my earthy and green tones. You get your pop of colors from when we do the fresh flowers or like our orchid. We have our steamer, and then over here on the other side of this bed we have our carts when I get ready to treat my clients. I have my pillow up under here. I'm actually going to replace, I have two things of fluff up under here, but I'm going to replace it with the actual mattress pad. So that's the goal on that one, to do that. And then of course, like I said, I have the basket for my clients to put their belongings inside of, and they have snacks and everything in here. And then they can either put it on the couch or take it away up under the bed. And then in my corner over there is basically like my barbicide, my antibacterial, my hot towel warmer, my sterilizer, and just basically my little station. And then of course I have to have storage. You gotta have storage to put your linen in, any products you need, job supplies, all of that goes in here, tucked away nice, neat, and not out and about. And then this pretty much be clear, but I was doing some work, so I left it out. And then I have my French press up here for the tea, so I'll take that down and get ready to prepare that for her. And then we have a candle that I haven't lit yet. I tried Bath and Body Works because it was a gift, but they don't last long. I normally get my candles from TJ Maxx, or I order them specially, so I'm gonna just stick to that. And that's pretty much, oh, trash can, gotta have a trash can, so a trash can. But that's pretty much my suite, you guys. I have everything I need in it. I try to keep it simple but personalized and cozy in here. Try to set the atmosphere. We use sage, Palo Santo. We have our candles and our crystals. And then of course I also have a Google that's on top of this. But of course I can't play it for copyright reasons. I don't want to play anything, but that's what I have going. So I put it up top on the storage thing, so it can kind of like circulate where it's not just like on anything low, but it feels like it's in the whole room. So that's my tour, you guys. If you have any questions about where I got like carts, rugs, or any of the supplies that you see, just comment down below. I might do a second, more detailed tour, but that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll talk to you guys later.